What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode. This is the most requested video. You guys have been requesting me to showcase precast concrete houses in Kenya or precast concrete technology in Kenya. And guess what? Today is the day. I will be showcasing a modern house that is actually made from precast concrete panels. So stay tuned. It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be interesting. You are definitely gonna love this. But first, introduction. Very warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my good name is Edna. I do real estate content. If that is something that you like, then please consider subscribing and joining the family. And don't forget to tap the post notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video, okay? Stay tuned because on the next episode, I'm going to be talking about prefab technology. Today, I'm showcasing precast concrete panel houses. On the next episode, prefab construction. So stay tuned for more. And also like the video. That's how we do it here. Immediately you click on the video, give it a like, then sit back, relax, and enjoy watching my content. In fact, without wasting time, let's dive in. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's do this.
I get so caught up in the middle.
Alright guys, these are the concrete panels that are actually pre-made and they're assembled on site. And because of that, the construction is done quickly. Within 4 weeks, you're done if it's a small construction. But if it's a big construction, say 3 months at most. And if you look closely, they're not very thick. Say 2 inches, and that's about 50 millimeters. Not very thick, but yeah, very, very steady. And of course, concrete.
Thinking of drowning in this blue eye.
This is an innovative solution that actually saves on time and money as compared to the brick and mortar houses or the brick and mortar system, And also it doesn't require as much labor as the brick and mortar houses. So in fact, with 575,000 Kenya shillings, you get a 1-bedroom unit, and that includes building materials, labor, and everything. Except of course, if you're going for the high-end finishes, which means you'll have to go back in your pocket and dig deeper.
I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die.
So this is basically the show house. It's a 2-in-1 unit, like it's a 1-bed and a studio unit. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about in a few. But first, let's explore the exterior space.
I can't hide what this is.
When it comes to the walls, you can get creative. If you have good money, you can opt for a fancy exterior look or a fancy exterior finish like what we have going on right here. This is called Wall Master, and it gives that textured finish that is actually aesthetically pleasing. And if you are on a budget, then you can opt for this, traditional finish that doesn't have a texture on it. This is actually the cheapest option, but still it looks standard and beautiful. In fact, from a distance, you can't tell the difference. So the choice is yours, depending on your budget.
And you can tell me.
Also, you can switch up your space with Kepro paving blocks, like you can see right here, or just leave it simple. At the end of the day, it depends with the amount of money that you have and what you're willing to spend. And yeah, that's basically it in terms of the exterior space. Next, we explore the interior.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light.
Entering the space, on your right we have the kitchenette. Simple kitchenette because this is just a show house, but you can have cabinetry if that is what you like, or even a closed kitchen. But yeah, this is just the show house and this is the kitchenette. In terms of water, of course, no water because this is just show house.
Hearts is not a lie. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie.
This is the living room area, and by the way, in terms of the plinth area, this unit is actually 288 square meters of interior space. The living room is about 4.55 on this long side by 3.66, and of course the height is 2.65. Yeah. Right above the doors, they've actually installed the ring beam, because you know the panels are heavy and the door frames can't support the panels. So what the ring beam does is to just enhance structural stability, and it also adds beauty to the design. You know, it gives a more aesthetic appeal. And guys, this unit is actually a 2-in-1. Perhaps you're wondering what I mean by 2-in-1. It's a studio unit and a 1-bed unit. If you lock the door leading to the bedroom space, then it's a studio. It has the living room area, the kitchen, and the combined washroom, 180 square meters. And if you open the door leading to the bedroom space, the bedroom is 108 square meters of interior space. So 108 plus 180, that makes it 288 square meters of interior space. You get the point? Leave a comment and let me know. Next, we have the bathroom space, simple bathroom space. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. The ceiling area in this bathroom space is actually plain mabati, but we have a different vibe in the living room space and a different vibe in the bedroom space, because just showing you the different options that you can, you know, opt for. I'll be your Next, the bedroom, and if you look at the floor area, screed floor finish, whereby screed is applied on top of the concrete slab. This is actually the most affordable option, but you can opt for tiles, screed floor finish, red oxide floor, wooden floor. Just, it depends na pesa uko nazo, you know. So many options. And on the ceiling area, they've installed the aluminium thermal layer for insulation, you know, to reduce the amount of heat that gets in and just make the space cool and cozy and comfortable to live in. They're just showing you the different options that you can go for. Like in the bathroom space, we have plain mabati. In the living room space, we have this aluminium thermal layer underneath and then some sort of gypsum on the outside. And in the bedroom, we have these. So yeah, there are a few options to choose from. Okay, all right. The ceiling area looks really fantastic. This is a beautiful unit, 288 square meters of interior space. If interested in purchasing a studio unit, you can get a unit from 375,000 Kenya shillings. If interested in a 1-bed, from 575,000 Kenya shillings to say 725 Kenya shillings, depending on like the finishes and all that. If you want something high end, again, the price range. 2-bed units from 950,000 Kenya shillings to say 1.1 million, depending again on the finishes. 3-bed unit 1.55. So yes, that's it. If you are interested, call the number on your screen and I'll definitely hook you up as soon as possible. This is the cheapest in the market. So beautiful concrete houses and affordable. Talk of affordable housing, sustainable houses. So beautiful. I will also be checking out some of the projects that they've done out there in Nairobi, in Kisumu, and different parts of the country. So stay tuned for that. I'll definitely go out there and check out what they've done and share with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video all the way till the very end. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. Stay tuned. On the next episode, I'll be sharing about prefab construction, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be lit. Other than that, catch you later on the next one. Cheers and bye bye.